So I really wanted to sketch the Leo triplet in the constellation of Leo, but unfortunately, all I can really see is M65 and M66, so it will be the Leo doublet tonight, since I cannot see the other fainter galaxy in the triplet. So let's have a look in Stellarium to see where these two objects are located in the night sky, and then we will get on with the sketch.
M65 and M66 are two galaxies that make up the Leo triplet in the constellation Leo. M65 is an intermediate spiral galaxy around 35 million light-years away with a magnitude of around 10. It is thought that M65 is low in gas and dust, causing little to no star formation, but there was a recent burst of new stars formed, which may have been caused by external disturbances such as an interaction with another galaxy. M66 is also an intermediate spiral galaxy around 31 million light-years away with a magnitude of 9. This galaxy is thought to have a weak bar formation with loosely shaped arms. Due to its past encounters with NGC 3628, it has a highly concentrated central mass. Now that we know where we're looking, let's get on with the sketch. I spent some time in this area hoping to be able to make out NGC 3628 before I started sketching, but I had no luck, so I just framed M65 and M66 to be the central focus of the sketch. There were very few stars in the field of view, and most of the time on this sketch was spent trying to capture what little shape I could make out of the two galaxies and trying to capture how dim they are in the eyepiece. I used the blending stump and white pastel pencil to create the faint galaxies. One last look in the eyepiece to make sure I got everything, and that finishes up the sketch time-lapse. Let's have a look at the final drawing. As you can see, these two galaxies were relatively faint in the eyepiece and didn't reveal a whole lot of structure. M65 is not quite an edge-on spiral galaxy, but it is at an oblique angle, which is also indicative of the external disturbances from interaction that I mentioned earlier. M66 had a more round appearance, and any faint structure in the arms was washed out, so I could only make out the central core of the disk shape of the galaxy. I'm thinking that while NGC 3628 is around the same magnitude as both M65 and M66, it was washed out because it has a larger surface area spreading out the light, causing it to actually appear dimmer in the eyepiece. Anyway, that wraps up this sketch video. Thank you very much for watching, and clear skies!